The error message, download gaming services. The software may have been removed or require an update, typically appears in the Xbox app on Windows when there are issues with the gaming services component. This error can occur due to several reasons, like corrupted gaming services installation. Sometimes the gaming services installation on your system may become corrupted, leading to errors like the one mentioned. Corrupted files or incomplete installations can cause the gaming services to malfunction, resulting in errors when using the Xbox app. To resolve the download gaming services error, you can try the following